Hello guys. I got another package from Japan, the land of the rising sun. All right. And this is another part for the Kyosho HOR that I will be building. I already have like the Kyosho NSR 500 MK1 version, the one with the static rider. And I'm planning to build the one with the leaning rider, the MK2 version, which I'm not able to buy the kit right now. There were some guys locally who posted, but I missed it. So now my plan is to build it from scratch, from buying parts by parts, piece by piece, screws, bolts, nuts, researching, reviewing the manual, what parts I need, screws I need, everything. So there, hopefully I'd be successful. This is the Kyosho steering headset, the GP102 bag, okay, and then the frame set is already on its way. So when that arrives, I'll have like 60% of the parts already on my hand, and hopefully in a few weeks or so I'd be able to build one. But this is my unboxing of this GP102. All right, and here it is, the steering headset part. Okay, couldn't believe this actually is a lot bigger than what I imagined just basing on the pictures. Okay, I'm excited now, really excited. Once I get the frame, I'll only have a few parts left to purchase and I can start building already. Wow, how I wish I have all the parts already right now. But it's okay, we can take our time. And once I have everything, we'll start building by then. So I'll be showing you the other parts that I already have. Okay, so what I have here are two sets already. Now this one is the shaft and spring set, which I ordered first. And this is the gear and sprocket set. Now one gear here is already metal, and then it has all the other gears that's needed. This one is a perfect fit to the MK1 as well. Alright, so those are those two. And I also have the wheels and tires already. These are the high grip tires by Kyosho, which I installed in the MK1, and then I just stored the stock wheel and tire of the MK1, because this one I'll be transferring to the HOR version. So right now I'm just using it for the MK1 at the moment. Okay, and here I also have the rider for the HOR already. This one I purchased a year ago when I got the MK1 version. I actually did a HOR rider for the MK1 version. But right now I'm putting it back to the static one, and then I'll be using this on the HOR version, which I'll be building. And I also have some of the screw sets already that I need, and I have another batch on its way. I also have washers and nuts on its way. So hopefully I'd have everything maybe after a few weeks, a month or so, and we'll start building from there. And this is my MK1 with the slow-mo run. And as you can see, the wheels and tires, the Kyosho high grip wheels and tires are already installed. But I'll be moving it to the HOR versions once I'm done building that one. and then I'll put back the stock ones on here, and this one's gonna be on display, but not until I have everything already. Alright, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, please, comment, share this, and wish me luck on the new build that I'm planning. It's gonna be difficult, but a lot of fun. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. God bless.